Hi, I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to show you the JoJo Slimline range. The Slimline tanks are the perfect water storage solution for townhouses and properties where space is a problem. These tanks are the perfect first step towards becoming water smart without sacrificing valuable space. The standard Slimline range comes in two options, a 1000 litre and a 750 litre. Both of them have compact footprints, making them ideal to put in a corner or along a narrow walkway. You can also connect the tanks in series should you acquire additional storage capacity. The narrowest tank in our range is a 1000 litre Super Slim. With a width of only 400 millimeters, it's ideal for ultra tight spaces. This tank needs to be securely attached to a wall, and it gets supplied with all the components necessary for installation. This contemporary tank also features different designs on each side, allowing you to display it in a way that best reflects your personal style. If you require greater capacity without compromising on space, the Multi-Slim tanks are perfect. The Multi-Slims are available in a 1500 litre and a 2500 litre. Both of them are 760 millimeters wide. Backed by a 10-year warranty, the JoJo Slimline range delivers a compact water storage solution, thoughtfully designed with space in mind.